In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to annotate a PDF in DocHub. If you need to review a document, leave feedback, or mark up important sections without changing the original file too much, DocHub makes the process simple. Everything you need is built right into the editor, and most of the annotation tools are easy to find along the top toolbar. Start by opening your document. You can either upload a PDF or choose one from your DocHub dashboard. Once the file is open, you'll be taken into the editing view, where all your annotation options are available. To add written text anywhere on the page, click the Text tool, which is marked with a capital A, then click directly on the document where you want the text to appear and start typing. This is useful for filling in details, labeling sections, or adding short notes directly onto the page. If you want to emphasize specific wording, use the Highlight tool, shown as a marker icon. Simply click and drag over the text you want to highlight. This is a great way to draw attention to key information without covering the original content. For more detailed feedback, click the Comment tool, represented by a speech bubble. This lets you place sticky note-style comments onto the PDF, which is especially helpful when reviewing drafts or sharing suggestions with others. You can also use the Shape tool, shown with square or circle icons, to draw attention to areas visually. This is helpful for outlining sections, circling details, or adding arrows to point something out clearly. If you need to conceal private or unnecessary information, click the Whiteout tool, often shown as an eraser icon. Use it to cover the content you don't want visible on the page. As you work, DocHub automatically saves your changes to the cloud in real time, so you don't need to worry about manually saving after every edit. That makes the whole annotation process faster, smoother, and much more convenient.